Welcome back, Super Friends. Today we are going to be multiplying three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. It's going to be similar to what we did in the past few lessons, but today you'll need your math notebook, pencil to write with, and don't forget that super brain of yours. Stay tuned for the video. All right, Super Friends, we are going to be multiplying three-digit by two-digit numbers. So our first example here that we see is 362 times 47. So again, I'm going to show you the three different methods. The first method, we're going to do our standard algorithm. We're going to stack it. I'm going to go very slow because you can easily get confused using standard algorithm. So right now I'm going to do my 7 times 2. That is going to be 14. Regroup. Then I have 7 times 6. That's 42 plus 1, 43. I put my 3 down, regroup my 4. Then I have 7 times 3. That is 21 plus 4. That's 25. So I put my 25. Now again, like I told us previously, since I finish in the ones place, I move over to the tens place. I need my placeholder in the ones place since I'm no longer doing the ones place, and I'll go to my tens. So now I have 4 times 2, that's 8, no regrouping needed. Then I have 4 times 6, that's 24, regroup the 2. Now I have 4 times 3, that's 12, plus 2, that is going to be 14. Okay, now I add all of these up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. Regroup. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Regroup. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then bring down the 1. So our answer should be 17,014. Now let's do partial products. Partial products is without the regrouping, but it's going to be longer because we've got to add up all of our products that we get, or all of the partial products rather. So 362 times 47. So I have 7 times 2. That's going to be 14. Then I have 7 times 60. That is going to be 42 with a 0 attached. Then I do 7 times 300. That is going to be 21 with 2 zeros attached. Now I'm done with my 7s. Let's move on to my 40. Then I'm going to do 40 times 2. That is going to be 80. Then I have 40 times 60. That is going to be 24 with 2 zeros attached. And lastly, I have 40 times 300. 300. That is going to be 12. Well, let me put all my zeros. I have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So then I put the 12 in front. Now I'm going to add all these together. I have 4 in the ones place. I have 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 8, that's 11. Regroup. 1 plus 4, that's 5. 5 plus 1, that's 6. 6 plus 4, that's 10. Regroup. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then bring down the 1. Oops. So again, we do have our 17,014 here. So we were correct. And then lastly, we're going to do our area model. Remember, that's Miss Choice's favorite. So we break apart our 362. So 300 plus 60 plus 2. And then I'm multiplying it by 40 plus 7. 40 plus 7. All right. And again, I break up my boxes. So you see how this time we have 6 boxes because I had my 2 plus signs for the 360 and then my 1 plus sign going across for the 40 plus 7. So that's how we know how many boxes we're going to have. All right, so now I'm going to start 300 times 40. That is going to be 3 times 4, which is 12, and then I attach however many zeros I need, which was 3 of them. There we go. And then at the bottom, I have 300 times 7, that's 21, and then I bring down my 2 zeros. Let me put it down here so we could see where it came from. All right, now to the 60. We have 60 times 40. 60 times 40. That is going to be 24 with 2 zeros attached. All right, our next one is going to be 60 times 7. So that's 60 times 7. That'd be 42 with 1 zero attached. Now moving on to our 2 times 40. So I have 2 times 40. That would be 8 with a 0 attached. And lastly, 2 times 7. That is going to be 14, no zeros attached. Now all we have to do is add these up. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit so I have some space. And I'll start with my 12,000. Then I'll go to the 2,400, 2,100, 420, 80, 14. And I need to scroll down even more. And now we're going to add these together. I have 4 in the ones place. Then I have 2 plus 8, that's 10. 10 plus 1, that's 11. Regroup. 1 plus 4, that's 5. 5 plus 1, that's 6. 6 plus 4, that's 10. Regroup. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 2, that's 5. 5 plus 2, that's 7. And then bring down the 1. Again, we have our 17,014. And these are the different ways to do it. Make sure you choose which method you like the most. And make sure you're staying very organized when you're solving these problems.